In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Webflow 2026. Full tutorial. If you're setting up an online store in Webflow, connecting Stripe is the key step that lets you securely accept card payments at checkout. Before we begin, make sure you're working inside the Webflow project where you want payments enabled and that you have access to a Stripe account for your business. It's also a good idea to be signed in to the correct Stripe account in your browser to speed things up, especially if you manage more than one. Start by opening your Webflow project. Once you're in the designer, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface for the small gear icon. Click that to open your site's settings. This is where Webflow keeps the configuration for your store, including payment providers, checkout preferences, and other e-commerce controls you'll use later. Inside the settings area, find and select the e-commerce section. This is the command center for your store. If it's your first time here, take a quick moment to notice the tabs and sections so you know where things live, but don't worry. You only need one action right now to connect payments. Locate the option labeled Connect Stripe and click it. Webflow will redirect you to Stripe's secure authorization flow in a new window or tab. You'll either sign in to Stripe or, if you're already signed in, you'll be asked to confirm which account you want to connect. Make sure you choose the correct Stripe account for this specific Webflow project, then review the permissions screen. This page explains what Webflow will be able to do, such as creating charges and viewing basic account information so your store can charge customers and record successful payments. When everything looks right, authorize the connection. Stripe will process the request and send you back to Webflow automatically. You should now see a confirmation that Stripe is connected. In most cases, Webflow will also indicate that payments are enabled, and you'll notice Stripe listed as your active provider. That's it. The integration is live. From here, your checkout can accept card payments through Stripe in a secure PCI-compliant way. If you ever need to switch accounts or disconnect, you can return to the same e-commerce settings area to manage that connection. And as a best practice, double check that you're using the intended currency and regional settings in your store before you start taking real orders. Authorize, and congratulations. You've successfully connected Stripe to your Webflow project. Now you're ready to move forward with building products, styling your checkout, and preparing for your first sale.